Hello everyone, welcome to the 2020 Crafty Goals collab with Amalia, where several of us are tracking our crafty goals. That's what it is, crafty goals. And then reporting our progress to you each month on the first Saturday of the month at 3 p.m. Eastern. So that is this video for the month of October. This is my progress report. I'll go through it with you, and then please be sure to visit the others in the collab. There's quite a few of us, and see how they're doing with tracking their goals. Overall, I had my ups and downs. Let me put it that way. I had my ups and downs. I had some things I did really good at, and other things not so much. All right, so with that, let me move this aside and show you my mess. This is I definitely use this. All the yellows are things I uploaded or did lives on, and the pinks are just for me to, that's my action to make things, and then I had some other things penciled in. Yeah, so all together, well, I guess I should get my other sheet out, which I don't know what is this it? Oh no, hang on, I just moved it away with the thing. Okay, here's my other messy paper. I need to get these entered in the spreadsheet. Get all collab projects done and video up on time. See pink calendar, which is this, and that'll change to a black calendar for 2021, but that's a whole nother story. I did drop the Great American Stash Bash collab altogether, which was the last day of the month. Also, I'm not doing my Sundays on a regular basis. I had wanted to do Sunday stamping. For the rest of 2020, I am continuing my 2 lives, normally on Tuesday night at 7 p.m., although this week it is on Wednesday night, the 4th, and Friday nights. I did 5 lives on Friday nights in October, and I did the 4 on Tuesday, and I did one of the Sundays. I think that's all. Yeah. So, but I added in my final Friday fun fold, and I did get that done this month. And oh, and in October I also added the all summer long collab. So altogether I did really pretty well. I did 42 lives and uploads, 14 lives and 28 videos altogether. Now some of them were not that long a video, but compared to last month at 29 total, and that was counting off the YouTube screen for the month of October, uploads and lives. So I think that's pretty doggone good. I mean, on World Card Day, I had this update for September, a Spooky Sparkles collab I was in, which was a one-time thing, and also 3 lives for World Card Making Day. Okay, so I did, I think, pretty doggone good, even though I dropped some things. So alright, now as far as crafty spending, yeah, I fell off the wagon, guys. Yeah, I was doing so good here, right? This is April, May, June I spent 100, July 40, August 25.80, September 53.31. This is on personal crafty spending. October $248.86. What? I mean, come on, really? Yeah. Jennyverse. It's my fault. But October 31st, I don't know what got into me, but it was like a little switch turned off or something, because I mean, these were bad, but they weren't terrible, right? Some beady stuff, a Dollar Tree $2 thing, and one Quality Crafts at around $50. I really held back. October 31st, between this purchase and I think like 5 different bead stores, but they're going to my business, which really can't afford it. But anyway, I have like 5 bead hauls, one on the 31st and the rest in November, which won't go on here because they're going to my business. But oh my gosh, I don't know what I was thinking. So yeah, I think I got spooked on Halloween into not following my spending curb, if you will. Yeah, that was bad. That was very, very bad. And it's a bad timing because I really need to be thinking of others and doing Christmas projects and stuff, and spending. Anyway, so yeah, not so good in that regard. However, I think I did real good progress. I started a new 12 by 12 in October, and I used 18 of 48 sheets. That was out of the Gilded Berry, which would be on my end of month new project, same paper, collab with Paige. So I did really good there. I did use some 12 by 12s in other paper pads as well, but I can't tell you about them yet. Or you may have, actually I can. I used some for a collab on the 4th, hosted by Bourbon Creek Crafts. Not much though, just a couple sheets. And I thought I used some other ones too, but I don't remember what they were, so that's all I'll count. Anyway, I did pretty good with the jewelry too. I made 18 pieces of jewelry for the month of October for the Having Fun Making Jewelry collaboration. We have a new member joining us starting in November, so that's wonderful. Another one, because we added one like 2 months ago, so be sure to tune in for that. Just so you know too, I've kind of decided, pretty sure I'm firm on this one, but the jewelry collab for next year and all my beading and jewelry videos, sorry about the bouncing, I'm gonna set up a branded separate channel for jewelry, and it's going to be called Dahlia Designs and a hyphen jewelry and more. That's going to be for all my beady and jewelry stuff, and it will be linked to this channel, I think. That's the part I'm not sure of. I'm thinking about setting up another separate channel, but I'll get back to you on that one as well, because I don't know if I can handle 3 channels, but I definitely want to move all the beady and jewelry stuff to a separate channel. Okay, so I didn't do any Star of the Art Bar. I'm like so far behind. I'm now 3 months behind, and I will be 4 if I don't get caught up and get November out too from the Art Bar. And I have not been paying as much attention to Facebook lately. Ever since they changed the formatting and stuff, I don't feel like I'm getting my notifications right, and I don't know, I'm having a block against Facebook, not liking it as much. But I did send out all the cards I made on World Card Making Day, did go out like on that following Tuesday, I think. Now one of them got returned, and I tried to contact that person who never got back to me. With apparently something missing on her address, and I have it right as she put it on the email. So I don't know if you didn't get your card from World Card Making Day and you're watching this, please check your email and get back to me because I still have it here. Okay, and then sticker sheets. I did use 3 full sticker sheets for Stickier Side of Crafting, so I'm up to a total of 30 sticker sheets used for the year. I was at 27 here at the end of September, and I'm up to 30 now. And I used some bits of other sheets too, but I can't count them because I didn't finish them. Use up all store-bought cards. I didn't count, but I used quite a few in the Smash That Small paper pad. Did I even talk about that? I don't think I did. I smashed the Mint to Be Fab paper pad in the 6x6. So I'm actually up to 7 small paper pads smashed. And I had finished 5 pre-July. I finished 6x6 Christmas Farmhouse in August. And then I was working through Mint to Be Fab, and I finished it in October for the Smash That Small paper pad. So if you missed that, I'll try to remember to put an iCard up here somewhere. so that you can go check it out, or I'll put a end card at the end, and whatever they're called, one of those end things and you can click on and go see that. Okay, so anyway, I did use quite a few more 5x7 card bases and envelopes there. I did spend, now this one is spend 2 hours per week organizing something in my craft room. I spent a whole morning going through pieces of jewelry that I've made since like February, and I was writing down everything I used from on them and putting it in a book, and then I have to eventually get that into my jewelry system once I get that recaught up from my computer dying in the end of August. So I did spend quite a bit of time because all my makes were just like stacking up, and so I was able to get those recorded, and then I could put the items away that I used because they were sitting out, so I would remember what I used, and yeah, and write down part numbers and stuff. So yes, I spent about 4 hours. I should write that on here. 4 hours organizing up here. That's about it. So altogether, quantities of items, I made 202 items. And I'm not going to go through all that and show you in this video because it's already too long. But I made 94 A2 cards, 22 5x7, 16 slimline, 6 other, which were memories and more cards, and oh, I have this one in the wrong place. I actually made 18 slimline. That should be over there. And these were like memories and more type style. So I would have had 18 slimline and 4 other. And then I made okay, well this one, it's like I didn't quite know how to count it, so I didn't count in here at all. So this is either 15 or 24, because no, that's not right. 15 or 34, because I actually, for the Stuff It collab, I altered a Christmas countdown set of boxes. There's 25 little boxes, so you could count that as one project, or you could count it as 25 little boxes. I'll count it as one, and that would be 15 here then. And then I did 10 bag toppers, 8 ATCs, and 5 memory dex cards. So I actually, oh, I put the 10 bags here, and then, okay, the ATCs and the memory decks are over here. So 10 bag toppers and 4 little treat bags. Actually 2 little treat bags and 2 decorated coffee mugs. So, and I didn't count the carrier. So really this is 15 at least. Okay, and then here, books or flip books. I did 2 in Smash That Small paper pad again, which will be linked at the end, I think. And then new project, same paper pad. I did a small book for that as well. I made 1 pocket letter for the Summer All Along collab. I made 3 tags as part of paper, is that right? Paper Pumpkin Alternatives. And I made 12 embellishments for embellishments on the 11th. Those were the little critters and animals from Menagerie Mix-Ups. And then for the jewelry and other, I made 18 pieces of jewelry for having fun making jewelry, and 13 other in Stick Your Side of Crafting, which was 8 ATCs and 5 memory dex cards. And all that added up to 202, which should now actually be 203. And I have to change this. This should be 18 and 4. Because these are slimline and they go over here. Okay, so 203 items, guys. if I don't count all those little boxes individually, which I guess I won't. It's just one bigger project. So that is up from 162 last month and 77 the month before. So, and even 196 in July. So I'm doing quite a bit of crafting still. And card making is a big part of it, and Stampin' Up is a big part of that. But I have been doing other things as well. So that concludes my update for you. Our words this month are gratitude, thankful. I wrote it down somewhere. Where did I write it down? Hang on. Thought I wrote it down. Gratitude, thankful. Maybe I put it on the November one. I did, I think. Anyway, I usually put it up at the top here, but I guess I forgot. Anyway, it has to do with being thankful and having gratitude. And I am grateful for A, all of you, B, that I'm in relatively decent health at my age, C, that I have a home and the wherewithal to stay in my home. And as the weather gets colder, I'm thankful we have heat. And I was thankful for air conditioning in the summertime. But no, I'm thankful for my family that I still have remaining, and all of you that I consider my friends. So let's hope that 2020 ends soon and 2021 improves. All right, so that's all I'm going to say about that for now, and I wish you all the best November and December and 2021, and I will talk to you next month. Hugs, love, and peace.